You might have heard chia seeds are a superfood, specifically if you are trying to reduce inflammation, lose that stubborn belly fat, or you want to improve your gut health. I heard the same benefits of chia seeds, but to be very frank, when I introduced chia seeds into my daily routine, I did not see much improvement. And I was confused because research is very clear that chia seeds have all of these health benefits, then why it was not working for me? So, what I did next was to take a deep dive into research and science behind how chia seed actually works in our body and what research says how we need to use chia seeds. And what I found was shocking. There is a specific way to prepare them, a specific time to take these chia seeds, and plus you have to combine them with additional ingredients, then only these chia seeds are going to work for you. So this is where I made a 7-day protocol for myself and I implemented in my own life and I saw amazing results. Immediately I felt my inflammation levels decreasing, my gut health dramatically improved, I had more energy and I felt much more lighter in my own body. So today I'm sharing with you this exact 7-day protocols of how to use chia seeds in your life so you can reduce inflammation, improve your gut health, lose the stubborn belly fat, as well as rebalance your hormones. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. So let me first share with you what I found in research why chia seeds are considered a superfood. First of all, chia seeds are very high in soluble fiber. This soluble fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut and acts as a prebiotic. Plus, this soluble fiber also reduces your insulin spike by more than 30%. Chia seeds are also very high in omega-3 ALA. A 2024 meta-analysis research study showed that people who consume chia seeds on the regular basis, they were able to reduce their inflammatory marker called C-reactive protein significantly. Chia seeds are very high in protein content, plus they have all the amino acids, and they are very high in antioxidant compounds like quercetin also. So these are all the health benefits that I found in research of chia seeds. But as I shared with you before, when I was using chia seeds in my daily routine, I did not see any significant health improvements. So this is where I'm sharing with you my research-backed and science-based 7-day protocol of how to exactly incorporate chia seeds in your life so you can make them superfood to improve your health. Let's start from day one. On day one, we are just getting your body used to the chia seeds. We are preparing your body's digestion and gut to handle that extra fiber and extra protein from chia seeds. Because some people, when they start chia seeds, they will feel a little bit stomach upset with more gas and bloating. How do you use it? Basically, you mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a cup of warm water and then you let them soak overnight. In the morning when you wake up, you warm up another cup of water and add to these soaked chia seeds. And then you squeeze in half a lemon or lime into it. And then you drink this chia seed water in the morning empty stomach before your breakfast. This chia seed drink is going to hydrate your body as well as going to prepare your body for more advanced chia seed protocol. The lemon or lime will give you vitamin C and antioxidants that again supports the absorption of omega-3s from chia seeds. So that's simple day 1 protocol. Let's start with day 2 now. Day 2 is all about stabilizing your insulin in your body. Insulin is one of the hormones which not only is related to diabetes but also causes fat accumulation plus also increases inflammation in your body. How to do this day 2 protocol? You need to take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and you need to soak them in 1 cup of warm water. Now this time you are only going to soak them for 20 to 30 minutes only. And when are you going to consume them? You are going to consume them with the largest meals of your day. If you are having 2 meals a day, specifically lunches and dinner, you consume them with both the meals. 30 minutes before your lunch or 30 minutes before your dinner is what you need to consume this mixture of chia seeds. This day 2 protocol will reduce your insulin spike by 30%. So that is day 2, stabilizing your insulin so you enter fat burning mode. Now day 3 is the time where actually we ramp up this protocol. For this we are going to add a powerful addition of apple cider vinegar to your chia seeds. For this protocol you need to soak again 1 tablespoon of chia seeds overnight in 1 cup of warm water. Then in the morning you add another 1 cup of warm water to this soaked chia seeds. And then you add 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar with mother to it. And then plus you also add a little bit of cinnamon powder to it also. When is the best time to consume it? You consume this mixture in the morning, at least 1 hour to 30 minutes before your breakfast. Why this works? Because the apple cider vinegar activates the AMPK pathway, which help your body into the fat burning mode. It works really good with chia seeds and cinnamon because both of those are going to stabilize your insulin levels. And plus this mixture is going to keep you full for a long time so that you eat less. That's the day 3. We actually start the fat burning mode. Now day 4 is very interesting and most people have never tried this chia seed protocol using chia seeds at night time. The reason we are using it at night time because your body repairs itself during the night. Plus, your body gets rid of toxins. How to use it? You take 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and then you take 1 cup of either almond milk or coconut milk and you soak your chia seeds into this. And then again you add a pinch of cinnamon into it. And then for sweetening purposes, you can always use stevia or monk fruit into it. If you do not have access to those, then a little bit of raw honey is also okay. You make this chia seed pudding at evening itself when you are cooking your dinner because you want it to sit for at least 1 hour. And what is the best time of consuming it? You consume it 45 minutes to 1 hour before you go to bed. So that's day 4. On day 5, we are going to specifically work on this gut repair protocol. We now know there are specific bacteria in the gut which are responsible for these sugar cravings as well as energy crashes. This day 5 protocol is going to help improve your gut microbiome, specifically the bacteria which is responsible for sugar cravings. For this, you need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. You soak them in 1 cup of warm water for at least 1 hour. And the best time to consume this drink is actually after your lunch around 3 to 4 p.m. Because around 3 to 4 p.m. is where you will see those energy crashes. And that is the time you are going for those snacks which are going to destroy your gut microbiome. So this 1 tablespoon of chia seeds along with 1 cup of water, you soak them for 1 hour. Then you add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to it. And then you can add another cup of water if it is too thick. And then you drink your chia seed drink around 3 to 4 p.m. Now we are entering day 6. This is where we are going to ramp up the protocol and we are going to give you a double dose of fat burner chia seed. The first thing is early morning chia seed, where you soak chia seeds 1 tablespoon of it overnight into 1 cup of water, and then you take it in the morning with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and little bit of cinnamon. So you take it empty stomach so we can ramp up the metabolism and enter the fat burning mode. You take another dose of this around 30 minutes to 45 minutes before your dinner. You make this preparation for dinner in the morning itself. You take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, you soak them in 1 cup of water in the morning, and then before you're consuming before dinner, we are not adding apple cider vinegar. Instead, add half a lemon or lime juice into it. Now this double dose of chia seeds is going to ramp up your metabolism really great. And in fact, majority of the research studies supports that we need 2 tablespoons of chia seeds on a daily basis to see their maximum benefit. Finally, we are entering the day 7, and this is the day I call as an inflammation crusher. On day 7, we want to impact your inflammation by all different angles because inflammation is the reason your body is not healing and not losing the weight. For this, you soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds overnight in 1 cup of warm water, and in the morning you need to brew 1 cup of green tea and you add 1 cup of green tea to this mixture, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper powder, a quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, and then you squeeze in half a lemon or lime into it. Now this drink has multiple anti-inflammatory compounds coming from green tea, turmeric, ginger, black pepper as well as from chia seeds. This is going to completely crush any inflammation which is present in your body. So now you understand there is a strategy behind using chia seeds. And most of you would have not used chia seed in this kind of protocol. And when you use this protocol, what difference are you going to feel? You are going to see at the end of 7 days that your body is feeling lighter. You will feel less inflammation in your body. Your gut is going to be much more balanced. There will be less gas, less bloating, as well as your bowel movements are going to be improved. Plus, you will feel more energized, better sleep, as well as you will feel more mental clarity. So this is what I learned the hard way by researching and trying chia seeds in different ways. this 7-day rotational protocol by combining different antioxidants, different compounds to chia seeds, and also varying the time when we are using the chia seeds. That's where I got results. So now you know exactly how to use these chia seeds in your life. Try it for 7 days, see what difference you see. The maximum impact I saw was using this exact 7-day protocol and continued it for 30 days. So I would like you to invite and use this protocol for at least 7 days and if possible for next 30 days. And share in the comment section what improvements and difference you saw while using this protocol. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.